And next year I might get to go to camp for 2 whole weeks, because that's my favorite thing to do.
Good, Lily. Daniel?
What is he doing?
Go ahead.
My name is Danny Bennett, and this is my life story.
Daniel? Is that a Christmas tree ornament?
Yes.
Class? Go ahead.
When I was born, my mom gave me this because I cried all the time, except when I was in the car. So she drove me around all night so I'd sleep. When I was 3, I took my first airplane trip, and I kind of got sick when I took off. And my dad said my mom should sit by me next time. When I was 5, we went to the zoo, and all the animals seemed to like me. So when I grow up, I'm going to work at the zoo or be a veteran. Then I learned how to read. Every Saturday, my mom will let me read to her, and that's her favorite part of the week. And this is a shining star, and that's my life story.
Oh, wait a minute, Daniel. Why the shiny star?
Because my mom says I'm the light of her life.
Very good, Daniel.
Make their memories of childhood last a lifetime with Hallmark keepsake ornaments.